Oh, there was a ptarmigan. All this diffused light, they're really hard to see before they fly. Just saw a ptarmigan way out there. He was sitting up in one of these alders. He's hopped down and I don't know where he went. Well, we'll keep driving and see what happens. Oh man, look how gorgeous this is. A whole bunch of ptarmigan. Yeah, look at this ptarmigan right there. It's a little too skittish. A lot of ptarmigan along this road. I'll get another shot. Oh, that was close. Found it. You know what they say, even a blind pig can find an acorn every once in a while.